Hey everybody, it is Ryan, and I'm going to do a review for you. And I'm going to do a review for you on something that you might not have ever seen before, because I've never seen it before. And it is these lights here. Now, these are kind of different in a big way. I actually was like, are you kidding me? They do this? So let me put things in a quick perspective. Let's just say you have a power outage. You don't have a flashlight. You don't have a generator. You ain't got nothing. You don't even have space to store a so-called flashlight or anything else. What do you do? What do you do? Well, you could have one of these. This is a four-pack of these light bulbs by the company Neporol, if I pronounce that correctly. And this four-pack of regular, these are just regular, they happen to be LEDs, LED light bulbs. Screw in just a regular old base. But what is special about these is that inside this thing right here is a backup battery. Yes, I was shocked myself. There's a backup battery in here. You can't see it. You don't know how to use it. It's all kind of crazy stuff. And what's going to happen is, let's just say that this is plugged in right now. This is plugged in via the wire. It's plugged in and the power goes out. Well, let me unplug it and show what would probably happen. The power is going to go out just like that. The power goes out. You're like, hey, I ain't got no power. But watch this magic. What if you just took like a paper clip or something like this and the thing lights up? I don't even know how that works. I do know there's a backup battery. I don't even know what's going on. I assume something to do with the technology. If the circuit is connected, then the light will work. But you don't want to just go around your household and unplug stuff and plug these things in and get the light bulbs to work. So you have a couple different options. You can, per the instructions from the company, you can go over to your breaker panel and flip the switch, and I think that closes the connection, and then all of these that you would have plugged in automatically turn on. Or the company does provide these little caps that you can hang. Obviously, you can hang. And when you have these screwed in, so you would have these like on standby, I guess. And then you just press this button. The thing works. Again, I don't know how this technology works. To be honest, I could care less. But that's pretty dang cool. So if you're looking for a light that you want to just use as an LED light, just like this, maybe you want to switch from halogen to LED and you like this fixture style. That's cool. That's cool. So you're going to save some electricity and all that fun stuff. But then you have the luxury that if the power goes out, you have instant light and you don't have to worry about finding a flashlight or whatever it is, because this is always charging this. And if you're wondering about the color on this, it's not like I think like 2700 is like the warm yellowish type light, soft light. This is more of the soft white. I would categorize this more of the soft white. And the instructions say this will last, I think, in excess of 4 hours, I think. So pretty good battery time. So you are good to go from illumination standpoint. And full disclosure, this company did reach out to me and ask me to do a full review on this because they said it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to see the magic without seeing the magic in video format. So that's what I'm here for. But obviously, no way whatsoever is that going to affect this review, because if you know me, I'm just here to keep it real. Hope this helps. We'll talk to you soon.